Insufficient or fluctuating water pressure can compromise comfort in your home in a number of ways. Slow filling of the toilet tank means longer waiting time before flushing. Unstable temperatures fluctuating between scalding hot and freezing cold cause shocks under the shower. Problems with running domestic appliances lead to poor-performing washing machines or dishwashers. Problems with dry areas in your garden? Over time, these issues can take their toll and become uncomfortable to live with. Typically, a lack of water pressure or fluctuating pressure can cause insufficient pressure in the system. If your boosting system is supplied with water from a main, you might experience fluctuations or even no pressure coming from the main. If your water supply comes from a rooftop tank or is elevated from the ground level, the pressure might not be sufficient to supply all taps and appliances with adequate levels of water pressure. If your tank is at or below the usage level, you will need a booster. Otherwise, you will not get any water coming out of the taps. If your water supply comes from a shallow well, you will need a booster. Otherwise, you will not get any water coming out of the taps. Thinking about renovating your house and looking to add more water appliances or taps to your system? Remember to dimension the system correctly. Otherwise, you won't achieve the right pressure throughout your home. To avoid any fluctuating temperature shocks in the shower, we recommend installing a Grundfos booster solution. We offer a wide portfolio and recommend the Scalar products. The Scalar 1 is an all-in-one pressure boosting unit that integrates multiple components: pump, controller, non-return valve, diaphragm tank and sensor. Capable of lifting water up to 8 meters, it provides you with good water pressure in any situation. Like the Scalar 1, the Scalar 2 is a fully integrated pump. As our premium range pump, the Scalar 2 features a built-in sensor to constantly measure the discharge pressure. With its intelligent pump control, Scalar 2 adjusts performance to any demand. A constant flow of pressure throughout your home results in maximum comfort with minimum effort. Thanks for stopping by the Grundfos Lab. See you next time.